Hey there, Beautyistic family! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to dive into a product that's a game changer for anyone offering spa services or simply looking to upgrade their relaxation routine at home. We're talking about the Master Massage 31-inch Montclair Salon Spa Beauty Therma-Top Best Portable Heated Folding Massage Table Bed Couch. A sleek black massage table that's built to provide ultimate comfort, portability, and a touch of luxury to your massage experience. Now, let's get into the specifics of what makes this table stand out and see if it lives up to its claims. First off, this massage table is designed with comfort and convenience in mind. One of its standout features is the EMR-safe Therma-Top heated massage table system, which is exclusive to Master Massage. This is a patented technology that ensures uniform heat distribution, helping your client relax more deeply without needing a separate warming pad. That's pretty amazing, right? No cords or extra gadgets to worry about, just a consistently warm experience from start to finish. As for the construction, this table is built with durability in mind. The PU upholstery is eco-friendly, oil and waterproof, and CFC-free, which means it's not just gentle on the environment, but also on your client's skin. The black finish looks sleek and professional, and I love that the fabric has a denim-like reinforcement backing. It's the kind of material that can stand up to the wear and tear of a busy massage practice while maintaining its polished appearance. In terms of comfort, Master Massage doesn't cut corners. The 3-inch small cell foam, combined with a layer of memory foam, creates a soft yet supportive surface that molds to the body's contours, ensuring a comfortable experience for your client. Plus, the inclusion of Reiki panels and the shiatsu cable release system means you can adjust the tension and positioning with ease, giving your clients a personalized experience that promotes maximum relaxation. Now, how does it hold up in a real-world setting? Well, I decided to put it to the test in a few different scenarios: morning sessions, evening treatments, and even after a few hours of continuous use. The heated system worked wonderfully, providing steady warmth that stayed consistent throughout. I didn't have to worry about any hot spots or uneven heat distribution, which is a huge plus. The memory foam really does its job, providing just the right amount of cushioning. It's soft without being too squishy, and it feels luxurious while still providing the support needed for a long session. But it's not all smooth sailing. When it comes to portability, the Montclair massage table shines. Weighing in at just 40 pounds, it's lightweight for its size, and the 4-pocket carrying case with double handles makes transportation a breeze. Whether you're traveling from client to client or need to store it when not in use, it's easy to handle. However, while it's portable, you may still want to be careful when lifting it. It's not a lightweight travel pillow, so if you're carrying it around a lot, make sure you've got a good grip. In terms of adjustability, the table is really versatile. It adjusts from 24 inches to 34 inches, which means you can find the perfect height for both you and your clients, reducing strain during use. The 6-way adjustable face cradle and memory foam ergonomic face pillow provide additional comfort and pressure relief, which is ideal for longer sessions. I also appreciate the detachable side armrests and the contoured armrest shelf, both of which add an extra layer of customization to ensure a comfortable experience for your clients. Now let's talk about pros and cons. On the positive side, this table offers amazing comfort, a well-designed heating system, and excellent portability. The memory foam and adjustability are standout features that contribute to a customizable, luxurious experience. The construction is solid with durable materials and a sleek look that fits into any professional setting. But it's not perfect. While the price might feel steep for some, you're paying for quality materials, innovative features like the heated system, and the overall durability of the table. If you're just starting out or don't have a large budget, there may be more affordable options that don't offer the same level of luxury. In terms of value for money, I would say this is an investment if you're running a massage business or treating clients regularly. For personal use, it's definitely a splurge, but if you're in it for the long haul, the quality and functionality might just be worth it. Now, if you're looking for alternatives, there are a few out there. but not all of them offer the same heated system or memory foam comfort. Some options might be lighter or cheaper, but they may lack the same quality of construction or customization. If you're not set on the heated feature, there are plenty of massage tables with similar features at a lower price point that could suit your needs. To wrap things up, the Master Massage Montclair table is a solid choice for anyone looking for a high-quality, comfortable, and portable massage table. If you're in the market for a professional table that combines luxury, convenience, and durability, this one is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for massage therapists who are on the go or anyone who wants to create a spa-like experience at home. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. And don't forget to drop a comment below if you've tried this table. Let us know your thoughts.